it is given that velocity of a projectile, that is Vt, is equals to minus 15.4 t plus 146. The height at which the projectile has been launched is 10 feet, and we need to find the height after 3 seconds. So for evaluating the height after 3 seconds, first we evaluate the acceleration. We know that acceleration is equals to the derivative of the velocity. So we'll differentiate the velocity and we get v dash of t is equals to minus 15.4. So by using the first law of motion, we know that v is equals to u plus at. We know that the equation of v